We had such a beautiful sleep. It was such a long drive. We had tea, we had cake, and now it's time for the tour. The first thing I want to show you is the bathroom because it's outside and it's a beautiful feature of the house. Come with me. And here you have an outside shower. The beach is right here and you can hear the ocean the whole night through. It's beautiful. This is very pretty. The pipes are very antique looking and with a very fun characteristic to it. A beautiful way to make a shower. And here it's a rain shower right from the top. But I like how the pipe, they look like kind of rusted. And it's beautiful, right? It's so unique. Everything here is artistic and of very good taste. And if you have a look here on the floor, I like how they put the little marbles or it's really sweet. And they have this little tap here so you can wash your feet in case you come back from the beach and you don't walk sand into the house. Now, speaking of the house, let's go see it. But before we get to the house, a lot of succulents. They are my favorite plants ever. The siding of the house is corrugated iron. Don't fool yourselves. This is not a shipping container. I thought it was, but inside is wood. All of the house is wood. This house is actually on concrete blocks on the corners. You can see here on the bottom. The door is a farm type door. Okay, let's come in. Come on, guys. Okay, my tea is getting on the way. I will put it here. This is a cool feature and that's the first thing you see when you walk in. This is a bed for guests, but this is not only a bed, it actually is a couch and I will show you guys. This goes here. You can tuck this back. I probably didn't do it right. Steven and I sat here last night and we watched some TV and it was really comfy. It's nice and big. It's nice how they did this, built this raised platform. The host built this house himself. Really, really cool. I'm probably not gonna see it very well because some of our luggage is still here. But they have some space here so that you can tuck away all of your belongings and they don't get on the way. Oh, so this place smells so good. When we opened the door last night, it was like fresh wine. It was very good. We have some crockery here and the cutlery is down here. That's really big. And you can see it's really rustic. Everything is rustically built here. And it's beautiful. I love it. They have an induction cooktop. Down here we have some towels. And this is cool because this is a box. It's not your regular drawer. Yeah. Which music?
What song do you like?
Whichever is, I don't know how to play. When the oceans rise. We also have a kettle, which I used a few times this morning to make tea because I love tea. I like this as well for the cups, the mugs actually. It's quite pretty. Mini fridge. And you have a space here, quite big actually, to hang your clothes. Big window in the back, a mirror so you can do your hair and your makeup in the morning like I did. This window is also a nice feature. It's a wooden window. Actually, a lot of the windows here in South Africa are wood. The handles are old metal handles as well, and it's copper. And hidden here behind the stairs is toilet. Let me switch on the light. This space is really small, but it's okay, it's just a toilet. It also gives you enough space on the other side where I was because you have a lot of storage and storage is king. Now, let's see the bedroom. Up I go. This bed is so comfortable. We slept so well last night. This is a nice space. It's not very tall, so you need to mind your head, but it's not claustrophobic. There is some storage here on the side. Instead of being a slanted roof all over, it's a flat roof above the bed, which gives you space to sleep. That's the sea, and we go in there. It's so cool waking up in the morning and just looking through the window and seeing the sea. Last night when we went to bed, I said to Steven, wow, it's really windy. He said, no, it's not windy, it's the sea. I was like, what? The owner and host and builder of this house works at a yacht, so he really had space in mind, and everything here is really designed to have enough space and storage. Like here, for example, you have this shelf, a lot of switches and plugs for your cell phone and stuff. Okay, let's see the outside now, and I really want to see the sea. Can you hear this noise?
Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Also, subscribe to our email list and Telegram list. Links in the description below. Have a great day and God bless.